Thanks to fiction, when we think of the Victorian era, we tend to think of lavish homes, beautiful gowns, and passionate romances. But as we all know, the truth is often stranger than fiction.
Well, the truth is, I'm actually in front of these two beautiful Victorian homes right now here in central Vallejo, California. Check this out. Now, these are actually historical landmarks here in Vallejo, California, and the one on the right, actually, it's called a Mastiff Victorian. The one on the left, I don't know what that's called, but I did some quick research before I came here, and I found out there's different types of Victorians. You got like the Mastiff, the Queen Victorian, the Queen, the Romanade, the Italianade, the Lake Stick. There's all kinds of them out there, but check this out. The Victorian behind me actually belonged to my client who at the time was trying to renovate it. It just didn't work out. So here's what it looked like before. So what happened was I actually sold it to some contractors. Now when the contractors got in here, they just did a complete renovation from the studs up and made this beautiful inside. In fact, we're going to take a walk inside here in just a minute. But here's the thing. The one on the left there, it's actually for sale for $495,000. If you are a person that likes older homes, the antiquity, the architecture, the character of the home, maybe this Victorian's right for you. Comment below and let me know. If not, of course, like it, share it, and pass it around. And don't forget to subscribe because I got a bunch more stuff coming. Let's take a walk. So the landscaping, we left it just the way it was. We just trimmed it down a bit so it looks a little bit nicer. Oh, the neighborhood, downtown. The Vallejo, there's a church across the street. That's Sonoma Boulevard. Follow that road, takes you up either to 880 or into Highway 29, which will take you up to wine country. And here is the home. We put a lot of color into it because we want to match the sister home, which was across the way here, just about what, 4 feet aside. That's why they call them twin sisters, because they look pretty much alike. This one here is another one we're going to go into. Let's start out from here. This is the living room, of course. We kept the original bay windows. All the windows are original because the law here in Vallejo is anytime you buy a home in antiquity, for example, over 100 years old, you cannot get rid of the old windows and put in brand new modern dual pane windows. So you have to keep the original ones because it is a historical home. So you got to keep it as original as possible. That's why all the molding looks the same. But we did do, of course, we reinforced the walls again with modern technology there, and also all the lighting fixtures are also recessed lighting. That's also modern. Here is the first bedroom, and it's kind of cool because you get the bay window here, and then here's the bedroom. I'm trying to walk backwards. Here's a little hard sometimes. So, oh, it has the original heater too. And it has AC too. I have to find out where I think the AC comes from here, probably the floor or the ceiling. I have to look into that. But here's the kitchen. Again, you got the recessed lighting above, all brand new countertops. And it goes right into, this is definitely an open floor. There was a wall here. I remember there was a wall here. They tore the wall down and they give it more of an open floor plan. Second bedroom. And we got the third bedroom here. This is the master bedroom with its own bed. Oh look, they even put a barn door for the bathroom. That's pretty cool. Again, another modern touch. Bathroom here. And this is a walk-in closet with a window to the backyard. We'll go to the backyard in a second. So this is the master bedroom here. When you walk out, it goes right into the washroom. Brand new water heater, and actually you can see it's been retrofitted for earthquakes, which is great. It's brand new washer and dryer. And here's the community bathroom here. And then you just come up to the side door and you check out the backyard. So we just trimmed it down a little bit. The little area here to hang out. Brand new AC right here. And the garage is there. You bring the car through so there's a alley street in the back. You park the car in the garage, and of course you walk out and just walk out here into the home. So beautiful home. I love what they did to it. It preserved the antiquity of the home along with all the modern touches. If you want to see it, just let me know. Of course, I have the key. I'll be happy to show it to you.